Guys, I'm here to show you what a mental cat is like. Cat! See my stick! Marty! Mental. See as the mental cat waits to kill his prey. Marty! Sorry, this may take a minute to gain his attention. Marty, taste. Oh, and now the cat is gonna go. The cat is running. I might get killed. Guys, remember what the cat looks like. Marty. And his name's Marty. Please, don't let him kill me. See as this is mental. This is mental. Marty, this is what we call a mental. It is called a mental cat. And as you can see, he's specially munching on his prey. Show them his kitty way. Mental kitty litter. Look, see. These are special snacks made for only a mental kitty.
Cats. Marty!
Now what?
Marty!